Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. Today we will be studying about the third type of nouns, collective nouns. So let us begin. Let us revise what we have studied so far. We have studied that name of a person, place, animal or thing is known as a noun or naming word. There are different types of nouns, but in class 3 we will be focusing on three types of nouns: common noun, proper noun, and collective noun. A common noun is a general name of a person, place, animal, or thing, and it does not begin with a capital letter. On the other hand, a proper noun is a specific or a particular name of a person, place, animal, or thing, and it always begins with a capital letter. For example, India is name of a particular country. That's why India is a proper noun and it always begins with a capital letter. The picture that has been displayed in front of you, what is it about? Yes, this is an army of soldiers. Here the word army is representing the whole group. Do you know in English grammar what such words are known as? They are known as collective nouns. A collective noun is the word used to represent a group of people, animals, birds, or things. For example, a pride of lions. Here the word pride is representing the group of lions. So it is a collective noun. Similarly, a flight of steps means group of steps. An army of ants. Army of soldiers and army can also be used for ants. A class of pupils. A swarm of bees. So here the words pride, flight, army, class and swarm all are representing a group. So they all are known as collective nouns. Let us look at some more examples. A bird is a common noun, but a group of birds is called a flock. So the word flock is a collective noun. Similarly, player is a common noun and a group of player is known as team or a team of players. A group of musicians is known as a band and a group of singers is known as a choir. Be very specific about these two. Don't get confused. You cannot use a band of singers. It is always a band of musicians. Similarly, you cannot use choir for musicians. A choir of musicians is incorrect. So, a choir of singers. A group of cars is called a deck. Similarly, a group of flowers is known as a bouquet, which we usually use for gifting purpose. Let us look at some more examples. A swarm of bees, a shoal of fish. A group of cows is known as a herd, and a group of geese is known as bunch. So here the words herd and bunch are collective nouns. Let us do some questions. You will see some fill in the blanks and you have to fill them with the correct collective nouns. So let us begin. Tim kept the dash of keys on the table. If you wish, you can write the answer in your rough notebook. Yes, Tim kept the bunch of keys on the table. So a group of keys is known as bunch. An dash of soldiers marched towards the hills. So which collective noun do we use for group of soldiers? Yes, we use army of soldiers. An army of soldiers marched towards the hills. The dash of wolves was sleeping in the forest. The pack of wolves was sleeping in the forest. Very good, students. Keep it up. Let us revise what we have studied about nouns. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. We have studied about three types of nouns: common noun, proper noun and collective noun. A common noun is a general name of a person, place, animal or thing, and it does not begin with a capital letter. A proper noun is a specific or particular name of a person, place, animal or thing, and it always begins with a capital letter. And in this part we have studied about the third type of noun, collective noun. A collective noun is the word used to represent a group of people, animals, birds or things. For example, a flock of birds, an army of ants, a bunch of keys, a class of students. Thank you so much, students.